Well, hello, hello, hello. This is Holly McWilliams with Indigo Arts, and thank you for joining me today for another episode of Advice for Artists. Now, as I'm talking today, I thought I'd show you a fun illustrative portrait I've painted, so you kind of have something cool to look at as I go over the topic for today. And also, just a little backstory here. The reason why I started this video series of Advice for Artists is because when I first started painting, I found there was a few areas that I really struggled with. Okay, let's be honest, probably more than a few, but now that I've been in the biz for over 20 years, I have that wonderful thing called hindsight. You know, the 20/20 clear vision that comes after you've gone through something. So here are a few gems that I wish I knew when I first started out down the path of being an artist. Today's topic is talent. Now, first off, I just want to be really clear. I don't believe in talent or someone being talented at all, or at least the way we think about talent. There is no such thing as a fairy godmother or a magical wand that's cast over someone at birth to give them exceptional, out-of-this-world abilities. Every person that I know that is brilliant and talented and amazing has certain particular defining characteristics. So let's break that down a little bit. The number one thing is you have to be interested in whatever topic you're quote unquote talented in. If you don't have the desire and if you're not thinking about this thing all the time, you're probably not going to excel at it. You have to want, you have to think about, and you have to choose this area of interest from your own free will. Now, the second thing is, a natural next step after someone has discovered an interest in something is they want to invest physical energy into exploring that area of interest. In other words, they practice it. They want to practice it. They actually start to do the thing and invest physical energy into whatever their quote unquote talent is. Now, the third thing, this is the clincher for creating what we know of as talent, is after someone has discovered they're interested in something, they have invested a lot of thought and they're actually doing the thing now, they're practicing it. The next golden ticket to talent is time. They spend a lot of time, energy, and thought invested into their area of interest. And truly, it's over time that a killer good skill set gets developed. It's not magic, it's time and energy and interest. In fact, every talented person I know or have researched has put so much thought, energy, and time into their areas of talent that we could go as far as saying that they're obsessed by it. And truly, in my opinion, the more obsessed or the more obsessive, the more time, the more thought, the more energy, the greater the skill that gets developed. These are the people that truly excel at whatever their subject of talent is. Now, some word of advice here. The sooner you can get rid of the idea of talent, because that sometimes has a negative side to it. You're not good enough. You're not talented enough. No one's going to like your stuff. Just do the darn thing. And as soon as you just do the darn thing and you want to do it, you will excel. Being an artist is challenging and honestly kind of hard sometimes, but it should be a fun hard and something that you want to do. And honestly, just keep riding that wave. Keep showing up, keep investing time and energy, and try to find a way to continue always getting excited in it. And well, that's my 2 cents about talent, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.